Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy. Day we hustle, but the night we OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die.
How's it going, guys? We are in Sydney. First time I'm filmed here in months. We're gonna stay here the night. Alright, so we are in the hotel now. This is where we're gonna be staying for the night. Let's have a look. Alright, so that's the bed. That's a mirror. A desk with a chair and the window. And that's the TV. Cupboards right here. Here is the view. It's buildings and a bit of an open there. And here is the bathroom. The toilet there, basin there, and the shower there. Okay. So we're outside the hotel now. I decided to check Google Maps and see if there's something worth checking out. And I think I found something. So we're gonna go check it out.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. We hustle, but the night boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around.
Okay, so that's one of the places I wanted to visit, and it was sealed off to the public. We might as well just move on. Let's see what else we can find.
More when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy. Day we hustle, but the night we OG boy. Know that they ride or die.
Okay, so this is the moment where I realize I forgot to turn my microphone on. I do not know why I turned it off in the first place. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is the moment where I pretty much admitted that I was feeling very nerve-wracked doing this vlog. I mean, I couldn't show a wide shot of Prince Alfred Park because I saw a policeman in the area, saw the paddy wagon driving down. Still don't know what happened exactly, but I was worried that if I filmed it, I probably would get in trouble. The policemen were not the reason, of course. I mean, I was feeling this anxiety way before I got to this park. I still don't know what caused it, but just for a warning, a couple of videos after this one may experience some similar issues. I apologize in advance. Anyway, I found a path that will take us through an area that didn't look crowded. So we're going to walk down that path and we're going to see some nice things. Okay, let's go. Haven't seen ibis birds for a while. For a really long time, actually. Somebody was feeding them.
How you going, bro? All right?
Alright.
You have no
This
idea.
day's been good.
Yeah, been good.
Hello, good man.
G'day.
I love your camera, by the way.
Thank you. That was a really kind compliment. Okay, so it's been about nearly 2 hours since I've talked to you guys last. Take this off. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I haven't been the best vlogger out there today. The person you've been watching, that's pretty much me 5 years ago when I started vlogging. I don't know if it's being nervous or an overwhelming feeling. There's a part of me that wants to keep filming, just don't know what exactly. I do know the goods line is down this way somewhere. We've been there before in this video. I think that's what we'll do. Let's go back to the goods line.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night we know that they ride or die. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
See that place there? That was where Convergence was when Vivid was on. Feels good to be back.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Day we hustle, but the night we boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy. Day we hustle, but the night we OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys.
Okay, so we got to the end of the goods line. Feels really good seeing the daylight. Well, it's sunset, but at least we got to see in light. Some kind of light. Okay, guys. It's now 6:30 in the morning. I gotta head off now. I'll see you all in Melbourne.